15 fatal mistakes when taking vitamins that could be killing you. Did you know that millions of people are making deadly mistakes by taking vitamins every day? Are you making your supplementation a direct path to serious health problems? What do vitamin manufacturers not want you to find out about hidden dangers? Many people believe that taking vitamins is always safe and beneficial. This dangerous belief is leading thousands of Brazilians to make mistakes that could cost their lives. The truth is that misused vitamins can become real poisons in your body. Recent studies by Anvisa show that 60% of supplement users make at least 3 serious mistakes. Will you be part of this alarming statistic that grows every day? The World Health Organization warns of the increase in cases of vitamin poisoning in Brazil. Today, you will discover the 15 most dangerous mistakes that may be destroying your health silently. Let's get started. 1. The silent danger of taking vitamins without guidance. Self-medication with vitamins is one of the most dangerous practices today. Millions of Brazilians choose supplements based on superficial information or advice from friends. Each body has specific needs that can only be identified through professional assessment. Too many vitamins can overwhelm vital organs like the liver and kidneys. Vitamin A, in inadequate doses, can cause irreversible liver damage. Studies from the University of São Paulo prove that supplementation without guidance increases cardiovascular risks. What you don't know about vitamins may be slowly killing you. The Federal Council of Medicine warns that fat-soluble vitamins accumulate in the body. This accumulation can generate severe toxicity that takes years to detect. Symptoms such as nausea, fatigue, and joint pain can be signs of vitamin intoxication. Trained professionals are able to identify real deficiencies through specific exams. The correct dosage varies drastically between age, gender, weight, and health conditions. Children, the elderly and pregnant women have completely different needs from healthy adults. But there is something even more dangerous that most people completely ignore. 2. Why skipping exams can be your downfall. Taking vitamins without performing laboratory tests is like driving blindfolded. Your body may have adequate or even excessive levels of certain vitamins. Blood tests reveal real deficiencies and prevent unnecessary supplementation. Vitamin D, for example, can be normal even with little sun exposure. Supplementing unnecessarily can lead to hypercalcemia and severe kidney problems. Specialized laboratories can measure 23 different vitamins in the blood. Your exams are the map that prevents you from getting lost in the labyrinth of supplementation. Iron is another nutrient that causes poisoning when consumed in excess. Adult men rarely need iron supplementation without proven deficiency. Menopausal women can also have adequate iron levels naturally. Specific tests such as ferritin and transferrin show the real stores of iron. Vitamin B12 may be elevated even in people with deficiency symptoms. Repeating tests every 6 months helps monitor the effectiveness of supplementation. However, even with exams in hand, many people make the next fatal mistake. 3. The deadly combination of vitamins and medicines. Mixing vitamins with medications can create potentially lethal interactions. Vitamin K directly interferes with the action of anticoagulants such as warfarin. Heart patients can have severe hemorrhages from this dangerous combination. Vitamin E enhances the effect of blood pressure medications. This can cause severe hypotension and fainting in hypertensive people. Calcium supplements drastically reduce the absorption of specific antibiotics. A single drug interaction can turn your treatment into a disaster. Antidepressants combined with B vitamins can cause hypertensive crises. Diabetes medications have their effectiveness altered by megadoses of vitamin C. Vitamin D interferes with the absorption of osteoporosis medications. Herbal medicines such as ginkgo biloba potentiate bleeding when combined with vitamin E. Always inform your doctor about all supplements you use. Specialty pharmacists can identify dangerous interactions before they happen. But the next mistake could be even more devastating to your health. 4. When more becomes a lethal poison. The belief that larger doses provide greater benefits is a dangerous myth. Too many water-soluble vitamins overload the kidneys and can cause stones. Megadoses of vitamin C can cause severe diarrhea and dehydration. Vitamin B6 in high doses causes irreversible neuropathies in the hands. Studies show that excessive doses of vitamin E increase the risk of cancer. Vitamin A in megadoses can cause hair loss and peeling of the skin. Your body has precise limits that should never be crossed. The liver processes fat-soluble vitamins and can go into failure due to overload. Signs of intoxication include yellowing of the skin and severe abdominal pain. Too much vitamin D dangerously raises calcium levels in the blood. This can cause fatal cardiac arrhythmias and calcification of vital organs. Therapeutic doses are established by international health organizations. Exceeding these limits turns medicines into poisons for your body. However, there is an even more insidious combination that few know about. 5. The vitamins that should never be found. Certain vitamins compete for the same route of absorption in the gut. Iron and zinc taken together drastically reduce the absorption of both. Calcium interferes with the absorption of iron, magnesium, and zinc simultaneously. High-dose B vitamins can mask specific deficiencies. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption, but it can cause overload. Copper and zinc are natural antagonists and should not be combined. The silent war between vitamins happens inside your gut. Magnesium and calcium compete for the same cell receptors. Taking both simultaneously can result in magnesium deficiency. Vitamin E and vitamin K have opposite effects on blood clotting. This combination can cause dangerous bleeding or clots. Multivitamin supplements often contain these problematic combinations. It is essential to separate conflicting vitamins at different times of the day. But timing also hides deadly traps that you need to know about. 6. The schedule that can void all benefits. The timing of taking vitamins can determine their effectiveness or toxicity. Fat-soluble vitamins need fat to be absorbed properly. Taking them on an empty stomach results in total wastage of the supplement. Iron should be consumed away from meals for maximum absorption. Coffee, tea, and milk completely block iron absorption. Calcium taken at night can interfere with sleep and cause insomnia. Your body's biological clock determines when vitamins work best. B vitamins in the morning provide energy for the day. Taking them at night can cause agitation and difficulty sleeping. Magnesium has a relaxing effect and should be consumed before bedtime. Vitamin D taken at night can interfere with the natural production of melatonin. Probiotics must be consumed on an empty stomach to survive. Respecting these schedules can triple the effectiveness of your supplementation. However, there is an even greater danger hidden in the quality itself. 7. How fake vitamins are destroying your health. The supplement market is filled with products of dubious quality. Counterfeit vitamins contain toxic substances such as heavy metals. Lead, mercury, and arsenic are regularly found in inexpensive products. Anvisa seizes tons of irregular supplements every month. Illegally imported products do not undergo quality control. Vitamins with incorrect dosages can cause deficiency or intoxication. Your life is worth more than the savings of a few dollars in dubious products. Non-certified laboratories use ingredients of questionable origin. Bacterial contamination in vitamins can cause serious infections. Expired or poorly preserved products lose effectiveness and gain toxicity. Always check the registration with Anvisa before buying any supplement. Pharmacies and specialty stores offer a greater guarantee of quality. Be wary of very low prices or promotions that are impossible to believe. But even quality vitamins can become dangerous in a surprising way. 8. The foods that turn vitamins into toxins. Certain foods can turn beneficial vitamins into harmful substances. Alcohol dramatically enhances the toxicity of vitamins A and D. This combination can cause irreversible liver damage within weeks. Caffeine interferes with the absorption of B vitamins. Too much fiber can drag vitamins out of the body. Dairy products block iron absorption and can cause anemia. The wrong meal can completely negate the benefits of your vitamin. Sodas and processed foods destroy vitamins in the stomach. Excess sugar consumes B vitamins to be metabolized. Antacids neutralize the acid needed to absorb vitamins. Oxalate-rich foods prevent calcium and iron absorption. Spinach and beets should be avoided along with iron supplements. Planning adequate meals enhances the effects of supplementation. However, a seemingly simple mistake can ruin everything. 9. What expired vitamins do to your body. Expired vitamins not only lose effectiveness, but can become toxic. The degradation process creates chemical compounds that are harmful to the body. Degraded vitamin C forms substances that irritate the stomach severely. Rancid fish oils release free radicals that accelerate aging. Expired probiotics can contain dangerous pathogenic bacteria. Inadequate storage accelerates degradation even before expiration. And deteriorated vitamin can cause more harm than good. Heat, humidity, and light destroy the potency of vitamins quickly. Leaving supplements in the car or bathroom is a fatal mistake. Refrigerator is the ideal place to store most supplements. Always check for changes in color, odor, or texture in products. Softened capsules or crumbling tablets should be discarded immediately. Investing in products with a long shelf life pays off financially. But there is a source of information that can be more dangerous than expired vitamins. 10. The lies that make you believe about vitamins. The internet is full of false information about supplementation. Influencers without medical training sell vitamins like miracles. Misinterpreted studies generate completely wrong conclusions. Companies sponsor surveys to favor their own products. Aggressive marketing exploits fears and insecurities about health. Paid testimonials create a false sense of universal efficacy. Misinformation about vitamins can cost you your life. Sensationalist websites exaggerate benefits and omit serious risks. Groups on social networks share dangerous experiences as truths. Self-help books often contradict solid scientific evidence. Always seek information from internationally recognized medical sources. Peer-reviewed scientific articles are the most reliable sources. Be wary of miraculous promises or solutions that are too quick. However, a specific type of vitamin hides even darker secrets. 11. The dark secret of synthetic vitamins. Synthetic vitamins can have different chemical structures than natural ones. This difference drastically alters how the body processes these substances. Synthetic vitamin E has only half the activity of the natural version. Synthetic folic acid can mask severe deficiencies of vitamin B12. This can lead to irreversible neurological damage in extreme cases. Synthetic beta-carotene increases the risk of cancer in smokers. Not every vitamin is the same, even if it has the same name. Natural vitamins are accompanied by cofactors that enhance their action. Isolated synthetics can cause subtle nutritional imbalances. The body recognizes natural vitamins as food, not chemicals. Absorption and utilization of natural vitamins are significantly superior. Always check if the product specifies the natural origin of the ingredients. Investing in natural quality can prevent serious future problems. But there is a critical moment that many completely ignore. 12. Why stopping vitamins can be dangerous. Stopping supplementation abruptly can cause severe rebound effects. The body adapts to the external levels of vitamins provided. Sudden stopping can result in severe temporary impairments. B vitamins require gradual weaning to avoid symptoms. Abrupt discontinuation of vitamin D can cause fatigue and depression. Iron should be progressively reduced to prevent rebound anemia. Your body needs time to readapt its natural production. Magnesium supplements require gradual reduction over weeks. Sudden stopping can cause muscle cramps and severe insomnia. Vitamin C in high doses creates temporary metabolic dependence. Reduction should be done slowly to avoid symptoms of scurvy. Always consult a professional before stopping any supplementation. Proper planning avoids unnecessary suffering during the transition. However, a dangerous illusion may be destroying your food. 13. The deadly illusion of replacing food with pills. Vitamins can never replace a balanced and varied diet. Foods contain thousands of bioactive compounds that supplements do not have. Fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals work in complex synergy. People who replace meals with vitamins develop multiple deficiencies. The pleasure of eating and satiety are fundamental for mental health. Social isolation caused by avoiding meals affects quality of life. No pill can replace the nutritional complexity of food. Digestion of real foods stimulates hormones essential for satiety. Mastication activates facial muscles and stimulates digestive saliva production. Food variety guarantees exposure to nutrients not yet discovered. Supplements should complement, never replace a healthy diet. Educate yourself about nutrition to make smart food choices. Combine conscious supplementation with a natural and balanced diet. But the most devastating mistake is yet to come. 14. When megadoses become mega problems. The obsession with megadoses turns vitamins into weapons against health. Doses 1,000 times higher than those recommended are promoted irresponsibly. Vitamin C in megadoses can cause kidney stones. Excess vitamin B6 destroys nerves in the hands permanently. Megadoses of niacin cause intense flushing and liver damage. Too much vitamin A can cause birth defects in babies. More isn't always better when it comes to vitamins. Selenium in megadoses causes hair loss and brittle nails. Excessive zinc suppresses the immune system paradoxically. Iron in high doses oxidizes cells and accelerates aging. Too much calcium can calcify arteries and cause heart attacks. Organisms have evolved to function with specific doses of nutrients. Megadoses contradict millions of years of human biochemical evolution. However, there is one last signal that your body emits before the collapse. 15. The signals your body screams before collapse. Vitamin poisoning produces specific symptoms that are often ignored. Morning nausea may indicate excess iron or vitamin A. Persistent headaches can be caused by megadoses of niacin. Tingling in the hands may indicate vitamin B6 toxicity. Paradoxical fatigue can result from an excess of B vitamins. Changes in taste may indicate zinc poisoning. Your body always warns you before serious problems happen. Changes in urine color may indicate an excess of water-soluble vitamins. Joint pain can be caused by hypervitaminosis D. Irritability and anxiety can result from megadoses of energetic vitamins. Chronic digestive problems may indicate inadequate supplementation. Changes in sleep can be caused by incorrect vitamin timings. Always monitor how your body responds to supplementation. Now you have the knowledge that can save your life and that of loved ones. These 15 fatal mistakes are responsible for thousands of preventable health problems. The difference between beneficial and dangerous supplementation is in the details you've just learned. Your body is a complex system that deserves care, respect, and proper professional guidance. Don't let haste or misinformation turn vitamins into threats to your health. Share this knowledge with people you love, because information saves lives. Always seek qualified medical advice before starting any supplementation. Invest in regular exams, quality products, and ongoing professional follow-up. Your health is priceless, but you have care that makes all the difference. Always remember, vitamins are powerful tools that require wisdom to be used correctly. Make the decision today to make your supplementation an ally, not an enemy of your health.